So welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Christmas season is on and everyone loves to bake. Today let's check out how to make eggless plum cake without an oven. This is a very delicious recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To begin with, let's soak few nuts and dry fruits. To a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of raisins, 2 tablespoons of broken cashews, 2 tablespoons of broken walnuts, 2 tablespoons of chopped candied cherries, 2 tablespoons of chopped seedless dates, and 2 tablespoons of chopped dried fig. You can go with any dry fruits of your choice. Now to this, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and half cup of water. Give it a nice mix and let this rest for 3 to 4 hours. It's been 3 hours now. The dry fruits are well soaked and puffed up. So now let's begin with the preparations. Heat a pan and add 6 tablespoons of sugar. Melt the sugar in medium flame. Now the sugar has started to melt. It's now starting to caramelize. So keep the flame on low. Continue mixing. Now the sugar has nicely caramelized, so off the flame and add 4 tablespoons of warm water and mix it well. Allow this to cool completely. Now to a bowl, add 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of oil, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Give it a quick mix. To this, even add 2 cups of maida, half cup of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a very nice mix and make sure it's lump free. Now it's nicely mixed, so go ahead and add the caramelized sugar water and mix it well. Then goes in the nut mixture. Give it a very nice mix. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and mix it well. Now our eggless plum cake batter is ready, so transfer it to a lined cake pan. Top it with some cashews and we are all good now. Heat a pan and add 1 cup of salt. Place a tray on top of the salt and place a cake tray on top of the tray. Close it with a lid and cook for 1 hour in low flame. It's been an hour now, so let's open and check. The cake is perfectly done, so remove and allow it to cool completely. Once the cake is completely cool, demold the cake and enjoy it right away. This is an instant and delicious recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.